Yo, Lion.
Greetings, man.
You know my brethren lose the contract?
Boy, me I tell you, you know. You see, want it all, you must lose it all. A greedy dog always lose him bone. When he got the contract, I said to him, that job require a little more manpower. Gather a team of competent people, might be 3 more people along with you. Get the work done in an efficient and timely manner. What him said to me?
You no want to split up the money.
Him no want to share the money. That is greed and selfishness, and that is what destroy a lot of us. Now him lose everything. Like them say, you know, half of something is always better than all of nothing. Consider even the very ants, how them go to work. Them go to work as a team. A ants find a lizard or find any little thing dead. Him call the rest of ants them. All of them pull it home to nest. Everybody gets something to eat. Greed and selfishness now go nowhere. Like Marcus Garvey said best, you know, the ends you serve that are selfish will take you no further than self. But the ends you serve that are for all in common will take you into eternity. Learn for share, man.